Yeah, that Subway guy's in jail right now.
All right, we're
Holy
live.
fuck.
We're live.
Look at Marvel, guys. Remember when I called out Marvel last week? Look at it today.
Marvel.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
wow.
on fire.
Holy shit.
Look at that
Marvel at Marvel.
clean downtrend break.
Yep. Disgusting.
Did my Twitter post that I went live? It did. Nice. It's actually been working.
Damn, you guys in Intel. You doing things today.
That's
Uh-oh.
not good.
Market's
Yeah,
gonna
that's
crash.
not good. Not a good thing.
Every time someone says market is falling, I keep going back to check SPY and then nothing's happening.
No, the market's fine.
Stop
You're talking
scaring
about
us.
because of Intel.
Yeah, we're talking about because Intel's rising. And literally the
well,
past like 5 times Intel has had a good day, the markets have crumbled.
What do you think of Etsy?
yeah.
right now?
Looks super fire.
Pretty good. Look at
Etsy,
that.
right?
What the hell is that volume, dude? Look at that volume on September 18th. They got a massive
Etsy,
block trade.
It got listed on the S&P, remember?
Is
Yeah.
that what happened on September 18th?
Yeah.
Okay, that's 26 million shares, yeah.
Looks
It's
very
cooked.
good, dude.
Yeah, I might take this trade.
It's a clean break of a downtrend.
Yeah, it is.
I think. Oh man.
You
Yeah,
have a
I like
4-hour
this trade
pivot
a lot.
at 128.62. You have a daily pivot at 133.68.
Yeah, 4-hour pivot's nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at this at close.
Look at the
I'm kinda
weekly.
scared
The
to
weekly
open
is super
positions,
clean.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at the weekly. Dirty.
Fuck, dude. I don't want to open any positions going into the debate though. But I think this can gap up.
Well, no, you're fine for tomorrow. The debate's tomorrow afternoon, so it's more of
don't
Wednesday.
open shit tomorrow. Yeah, that's right.
It's more of Wednesday, yeah.
You're right.
Just don't open shit tomorrow.
I would grab either the 130s or the 125s.
I'm definitely
125.
gonna grab 125s in the close.
Yeah. I like that play a lot.
I really
Might
want
take that with you,
SPY.
Castro.
Nice, dude.
I want
Let's go.
SPY and Qs to get over this anchored VWAP.
You looking at 1016, or are you going further out to November?
1016.
Neo is basically the same chart, just hasn't broken out yet.
Yeah.
If Neo gets over 20, because of how long this consolidation was, it probably will get 25 pretty quickly. Yeah, the debates are usually like around 6, 7 p.m., I think.
It's late. They're late, I think. I think they said like 9 p.m. Eastern.
Oh, damn, even later than that? Okay.
Oh, it's only 6 o'clock here. Well, hold up. Is there a basketball game? The finals? If it's the same time as the debates, that's not a good look.
You're asking the wrong people.
No. We're good.
You think Miami has a chance?
Caesar, get that shit out of here, bro.
No, that's why I'm asking. I don't think they do. I didn't know if anyone.
Oh, I thought you said they did. My bad. That was rude.
I mean,
That's very rude, dude.
I mean,
that's crazy. He's for sure taking it.
I think they match up well, like AD and Bam guarding AD, especially because AD's gimp right now. He has his fucking ankle.
He wants a bite of that sandwich, dude.
Bad.
Dude, that bread looks exactly like real bread.
Told you, man.
He's eyeing that shit.
Is he the type of dog where, like, if you left that there and walked away, would he try to get to it?
He'll shoot through the desk to get to it.
This is what we're looking at for people on stream.
Oh my god, this dude looks focused. Focused.
Dude, he's thinking of how to get there. He's coming up with a plan.
Is he allowed to eat that?
I give him a little bit of peanut butter.
Yeah, it's just peanut butter and bread. He should be all right. Do Frenchies have anything specific to their breed that you can't give them?
That I know of.
Hey, never give your dog tea tree oil.
Yeah, I heard about that.
Yeah,
You can't
tea tree
even
oil.
have it. You can't even have it in an oil diffuser in the same room.
Never heard of it.
It's an essential oil you put in an oil diffuser. I know that because I bought my mom one for Christmas last year, and I told her I just took the tea tree one out of the set because she has chihuahuas, and it's really bad for dogs.
It's fucking poison, bro.
Like
Shit's
chocolate.
Grapes, you can't give them. Chocolate, raisins.
Dude, Intel Weekly looks really good. Retested that pivot, putting in a bull div. Now we're popping. The better Intel looks, the worse the market looks, sadly. And look at the 4-hour pivot on ES. It's already playing out. This wouldn't be a bad place to hedge, to be honest. If you were looking at hedging any positions, you could hedge the 4-hour pivot.
I think I'm about to close a few of my positions.
What, picking up puts?
No, just closing.
I might hedge a little bit. So I'm gonna try to open Etsy and have Netflix open.
Like my Q's Butterfly and AMD. I'll still hold on to my Nvidia and Apple. But it's been a while since we've had 2 days where the market ran up this much, so that's why I'm thinking tomorrow may not be so hot.
DraftKings on fire.
I'm up 56% on my SPY premium already.
10 on fire.
I don't really want to close it here.
Good thing we didn't take that Peloton trade.
How much of a cushion do I have? I have a near 6% cushion.
PayPal is now above that trend that it fell through. Keep an eye on FSLY, guys. See if it breaks this downtrend.
That daily pivot's holding. It's putting in a bulldog.
FSLY.
Yeah. Daily bulldog.
Yeah, I like the chart a lot. I just don't want to take it before it breaks that downtrend. If it fails, this is where it's going to fail. Work. You took puts on work? Oh, like where it would fail? Yeah, it would fail here, but I mean, it looks like it's starting to move up. It's rejecting the 21 EMA though. So like I said, it's still the same as Friday. You still haven't closed above that 21. If it does fail, it's going to fail here.
Tesla and Apple look really good. So does Amazon.
I'd be careful with it though,
Baba?
Jelly.
Deja.
What's up?
Thoughts on Baba?
It's playing out a daily bull div. Kind of sketch though. I don't like the way Baba trades.
I see.
15-minute has really good heat map. It's almost green across the board. 4
I don't know if I
hour.
want to take FSLY or Etsy. They both look so good.
Baba 4 hours below the 50 moving average. Yeah, I don't really like it. It's kind of sketchier.
Look at pins. Can we short
Thank you.
pins?
Pins looks like a rising wedge on the daily. Yeah, I wouldn't trade. Oh, you said short. Sorry.
Yeah.
You said short. Yeah. Yeah, this looks like a perfect place to short it. Look at this chart. Can you sell premium on it?
Oh yeah. Buy the sell the 43 calls, buy the 44s.
That's not bad at all, actually. That's a really good
Yeah.
credit.
You like that shit, right?
Nice, yeah. What about 40? What if you sell the 44s? Yeah, really good credit on the 44s, too. Yeah, it's perfect. Perfect credit. The POP difference is 67% instead of
72.
72. Much more open interest on the 43s.
Yeah.
Safer to play the 44s. Where are they on the chart? 43 is a little close.
Yeah, but it's got to take out that peak of that.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. I think they're both going to get hit either way, so you might as well just go with the 43s. But it would be safer to take the 44s for sure.
So you're collecting $29 per contract if you sell the 43s. You're collecting 24 if you sell the 44s. So a $5 difference.
32% compared to 42%.
Yeah.
They're both good credits.
Taking it.
Shit's moving right now. Nvidia.
Hey, Death. I'll take a look at Square and Nvidia.
AMD
Excuse
is
me.
getting close to making a new high. Q's already put in a new high.
I took it, Deja.
Nice. Yeah, I'm debating. I'll see which one I want to take. You have an 81% P50 on 44. P30, or sorry, 43, you have a 77. Yeah. They're both pretty good. Gap up into a doji like this is not good either.
Yeah, I just updated the document. Let me update my channel on Twitter right now.
I do like having some short exposure in my portfolio too. I have no short exposure right now.
Oh, you guys looking at pins for a short?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. have Nvidia doing things.
Just posted it in my channel, USLT. Pinterest short bought sold the $43 calls, bought the $44 calls on October 16th.
Take a small spike put to hedge. Actually, I don't know, man. I don't know.
You buying puts on pins?
Sold calls.
I'm placing an order on it as well. Different contracts though. Let me see.
Hey, C's, you didn't hear anything about when they're releasing those video cards?
Not yet.
Posted it. Put that on Twitter as well. Yeah, sees that if you watch that video, he talks about the MSI gaming trio. That's the one that I have. I have the 1080 Ti. I think it's a beast. So I'm sure that one's pretty good for the new cards as well.
Yeah, I've always gotten MSI. They've never done me wrong. I've never had a part crash on me, and to me, they've always been a good brand to go with. My motherboard and my graphics cards, I always stick with MSI. I actually bought their stuff before they were known as MSI, and it was MicroStar International.
All right, let me take a look at Square. Square we talked about last week. One of our members had a really good trade on Square. Square gapped up pretty beautifully. It's kind of putting in a little micro rising wedge now. I think Square's already filled the target. You had a gap fill right here. That was the target. You already hit the target. So right now it's kind of a sketch trade. You took a trade here, like 166 would be the next target.
Etsy's not stopping. Did you get in, Castro?
And then what else? You said Nvidia. Nvidia looks really good. 4 hours clean. Daily's pretty clean. If it holds like this on a consolidation, you probably will go higher towards the end of the week. Overall target would be the gap fill, but that's probably going to take a week or two to fill. You are kind of breaking out of this little bilateral triangle. It looks pretty good. I think the 4 hours clean on Nvidia.
Dude, PayPal looks so good. I want to get into PayPal as well, man.
It hit the high day scanner not too long ago.
Yeah, it reclaimed the trend that it broke.
Look at the 4-hour pivot though, it's kind of sketch. 4-hour 50 moving average too.
Oh yeah. Good call.
Yeah, it's a little sketch. It's also putting in a rising wedge. You can consider it. No confirmation. If it pulls back here, yeah, it's kind of a weak rising wedge, but you could consider it.
Netflix looks good too, man.
I think
So
Apple
many
looks the
charts that
best.
look good. I'm already balls deep in it.
Yeah, Apple looks good. Tesla's in the danger zone here. If it doesn't break this channel, it's gonna nuke. Big danger zone for Tesla here, which is not good for Neo.
Boeing still didn't break out of that falling wedge.
I'm out of AMD, so my AMD.
Oh, Deja, look at Roku, dude. Roku might fucking send it here too tomorrow.
Yeah, the
Holy
daily
shit,
pivot.
look at the doji, look at the fucking daily candle today.
Yeah, daily pivot's clean. Not a lot of volume though. There's no buyers. 1 hour is on a pivot. If the 1 hour gets volume above that pivot, it would look good. Look at the fucking volume. It's dead. There's nothing on Roku. Look at the 1 hour volume. It's fucking non-existent. It's starting to pick up though. 15 minutes coming in.
Yeah, I like Roku a lot.
Yeah, in my eyes, you would have to get some volume above this pivot. 187.
The RSI on Facebook is climbing.
Yeah, we're balls deep in Facebook too.
I wouldn't say you missed the Roku move. I think Roku still has room to go for sure. If it gets above this 1 hour pivot, it could easily tap that high. You're looking at 7% just to the local high. You definitely have room. Not the cleanest trade.
Look at the 5-minute VIX. Does that look like a bulldog to you? Or a camel?
You can kind of say there's a parallel channel here on Roku. Let me show you.
Daily VIX, you said?
5-minute VIX. Just starting to move up a little bit.
I guess not. It's actually not too bad. I bet linear regression will do it just like that. Yep,
On what, Roku?
I was a little bit off. Yeah, so Roku, if you take a linear regression from the March lows, a 90% regression all the way up. Really nice bullish channel. I'll post a picture. If it taps the top of the regression, it would be around 200. Doesn't look too bad.
I like it a lot.
Doesn't look too bad.
Wonder how the premium is on Roku. We sold calls last week. What if we sell puts this week? Yeah, you could squeeze out 29%. Otherwise, it's pretty dry.
Yeah, very strong uptrend Nelson on Roku. Has a 90% R rating. Not terrible. This fucking pivot on ES was just too damn clean. If this puts in an all-time high off this pivot, it's going to be fucking disgusting. I just realized I cussed. Eileen, I owe you $2.
I really hope it does, man.
I hope it just rips faces.
Same. Just fucking shits all over the Bears.
That would be about a 13% move, 12% move off that pivot, if that pivot holds.
VIX is perking up.
Yeah, I seen that. I literally just glanced at it.
Doing the percolator seas.
Yep.
This would be
Oh,
a
yeah, it's ripping.
disgusting place for ES to fail to, right on
It's
the 50.
ripping, dude. Look at VIX ripping.
Right on the 50 moving
Oh
average.
my god, it is ripping.
This is where it gets slapped.
This would be it for ES. 50 moving average on the daily.
15 minutes starting to look bullish on VIX.
I'm up 50% on my contracts, wondering if I should close them. I have a massive cushion though.
Yeah, so do I. That's why I'm holding mine, dude.
Yeah, I could close them and then reopen them if it does pull back to the wedge. Wouldn't be a terrible idea.
There's so much resistance on VXX 1 hour. You got the moving averages, you got a blue pivot, you got an orange pivot.
This 4-hour pivot would be a disgusting top here on ES.
Fuck it, I'm holding.
I think we look okay as long as we're above the daily pivot on SPY.
It's literally the first pullback from the fucking bottom, right?
Yeah, it's the first. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. The 1 hour is sketchy. Literally no pullbacks in the 1 hour.
It just printed a pivot too. Maybe it pulls back to the 21, to the 20.
This is
like you said, I have such a big cushion, dude. Like
Yeah.
I highly doubt that SPY is gonna dip below fucking. What do I got? 316.
Yeah, it has to drop 7%.
My fucking cat did it again.
With the cat too.
Stepped on my keyboard this time.
This is the bottom of the regression. If ES is going to go higher, it's going to bounce here. If it doesn't bounce here, it's going to start pulling back probably to like 33.18. 33.18, 33.13.
She saw my last NVIDIA I had.
What do we say about Intel? Every time Intel goes up like that, the market comes down. Every fucking time, dude. You
There's
guys,
another swear.
you guys. No, it's already over. It's already over. You already think it's you think it's a meme, but what's it like 5 for 5, 6 for 6 at this point?
Undefeated, bro. undefeated.
It's so funny, dude. It makes no sense, but it works. It just doesn't want to let us have that Vegas trip.
If you got some balls, take a long on Tupperware. TUP.
I should have had a massive run up a few weeks ago.
Look at it today.
Neo looks like a massive cup and handle on the 15-minute.
Dude, Tupperware looks sketch, dude.
Yeah, Tupperware is sketch. You're talking about a pivot?
This, dude. This is
Sitting,
nice
said if you got balls, you take a long right here, sitting on the daily piv.
There's a 4-hour pivot too.
It is on the daily.
Oh,
piv.
4-hour
Tupperware?
and daily pivs, dude.
What's the ticker?
Tup.
TUP.
Fuck. I don't want to just take it for funsies. Oh, look, there's a huge green candle.
Dude, look at the premium on this Deja. Holy fuck.
Is it awful?
No, it's really good, dude. Really
top?
good. Yeah, and the spreads are fucking nice. Holy shit. Dude, the IV's 105%.
Man,
Sell the
I'm fucking
19s, buy the 18s. If you sell the 19s, you got a little bit of cushion. Look, like right underneath support there.
The spreads are pretty bad though.
10-cent spread.
Yeah, but it goes from 15 cents on the bid
Oh
to
shit, no, it
50.
just no, it was a 10. It was at 35, 25 and 45 a second ago.
Yeah, that's gone.
Taking a lotto.
The open interest is so bad, dude.
All right, took it.
Did you get
I'm
an
not
Etsy?
posting it because it's sketch, but
Did you
I
get an
bought.
Etsy?
No, not yet. I bought the October 16 $22 calls. It's a lotto.
Yeah, this little pullback here had no effect on my premium on SPY.
Same.
If the 1 hour pulls back, it's gonna hurt. The 1 hour's been outside the Wick Sniper the entire day too, which is sketch.
What scares me about SPY is if it comes down to fill the gap.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about this morning.
Watch Neo.
Yeah, Neo looks ready to rock it, man, if it breaks that downtrend. Yeah. Using my market making bot that I was playing with like a few weeks ago. You should bottom here on the 50-minute on SPY if it finds support, if it wants to stay in this range. The 4 hour is finding resistance though. Little cloud above us. Bounced off the cloud below us. What about ES? ES has nothing above us. 1 hour's resistance. Yeah, 50-minute came down to the support. Yeah, the daily ES was fire. Little cloud came in.
Pen looks really good too.
Very bullish profile today. It's like a perfect P shape.
Important, he's live. Look, he's holding a 4-foot tall green sledgehammer.
Oh god. Yes, or sorry, SPY pulled back to VWAP, bouncing off of it. VIX is failing VWAP hard. VIX has completely retraced that entire move.
You gotta be up on top, dude. Top doing things.
Yeah, Neo looks good. We broke VWAP. We're back above the daily open. Literally look at it, dude. Intel pulled back, and now the market's going up.
Did VIX get slapped at that area? Oh yeah, look at called the top on VIX.
I got filled on pins.
Nice. I'm down on it right now. It's moving up.
Yeah, I put in a little high credit, so I'd get filled a little higher. We are betting against a freight train, basically. It's 100% green on my heat map.
Did you get into Etsy yet?
Oh, I'm not, no.
Castro.
I'm looking at it right now. I should have got in earlier. I was taking a call.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get in
ES.
right now.
ES is nearly green across the board on the heat map, too.
Or are you taking the 125s, right?
Yep, so is NQ.
Like a little pullback though.
I don't know if you're gonna get one on that, man.
Yeah, it's too powerful right now.
ES bouncing exactly where I said it would on the bottom of that regression. Big volume came in there to buy it up. It actually got a block trade too.
What did?
Buy. 33447. A little higher than it is now.
Someone bought SPY at that 3-3.
Yeah,
Oh,
334.
334. I thought you said 337.
Yeah, 33447. Hey, Truth, what's going on?
Deja, you want to explain that? What ATI just asked?
Let me
Maybe
see.
if any one on stream.
I'm still learning about selling calls and puts. Can someone explain how selling an option can make you go in debt? So I think you're talking about selling naked. Or this can happen when you're selling spreads too. Which is why when I typically sell spreads, I sell them close together, like the strikes. Because if you sell a spread, let's say you sell like SPY 340s, and I'm selling the calls, right? And then I'm selling the 341, I'm buying the 341s. That's my protection. If I buy like the 345s, there's a $5 strike difference between the ones I'm selling and the ones I'm buying. So if I get assigned on the ones that I'm selling, but not the ones that I'm buying, there is no protection. So you can lose a lot of money that way. Or if you're selling naked, so if you're selling the 340s and you have no buy protection, your loss is infinite because it can just go up forever, right? Um, so if SPY goes to like 350, 360, you're going to lose a lot of money because you have no protection. You have no stop loss, basically. If you trade the way that me and Jay May trade, we're selling spreads and we're selling close spreads, like close strikes together, you're not going to lose a shit ton of money. In worst case scenario, you lose your max loss. Well, worst case scenario, you get assigned on one of them and your buy side is not in the money. But if that's why, if, for example, if I was selling the 335s on SPY, we're at 334, we're really close to my strike. If it got to my strike, I would let it go. I would close it. So I have no chance of being assigned. Yeah, so if you have some sort of protection and you don't let your contracts get assigned by closing them before they're in the money, you cannot go into debt. No, Truth, I'm talking to somebody in Discord. Yeah, check out my video in the mentorship section. I made a video on all the advanced strategies for options. I made 2 of the advanced options videos. Watch the most recent one. I remade it because the first one was very confusing. So watch the most recent one. And I talk about how to trade spreads. And it will help you out. There's all kinds of advanced options in there. Rhino, that guy might have posted that a little too early. The market's already recovering. Q's high a day.
I know. I'm wondering if I should close my butterfly or not.
Wait, Deja, what are you referring to?
What you just posted.
Oh, that was after that minor drop.
That's what I mean. I'm saying
Yeah.
they might have posted that a little too early because the Qs are flying. They
Yeah,
posted that after seeing the pullback to collect some clout, but the Qs has already recovered.
Yeah, but that's why he didn't do SPY puts.
And my premium is up, actually. I'm up 56% already. So my premium on SPY is actually going up, even though it's coming down. Sorry, Truth, let me see.
My Q's butterfly is for Wednesday. Wonder if I should give it another day or not.
Truth, you sound very new to trading, man. I recommend you check out my How to Trade playlist on YouTube, and it will give you more of an idea of kind of what's going on here. We're doing technical analysis using different tools and indicators and kind of making predictions on what we think is going to happen in different stocks or different indexes. Yeah, anybody who's new here, just check out my How to Trade playlist on YouTube. I think it's got about 20 videos at this point. I go over many different topics for trading. And yeah, Truth, I've got plenty of strategies. I don't talk about them very openly on stream, obviously, or really in general. I talk about a lot of stuff in Discord, in our private Discord. I talk about like kind of why I'm taking trades, what I'm seeing. But most of my trades are taken based on my indicators or based on some sort of news that's happening.
10 minutes, guys. Button them up, boys. Button them up.
Yeah, good call.
I'll play a little bit, JMA, but I'm going to get in the shower and then go to the gym.
All right.
Probably go to the gym and then get in the shower, but I feel like taking a shower first, to be honest. Dude, my eye won't stop twitching. Holy shit, it's irritating. Yeah, it's relatively a gamble, man. Of course, trading is. I wouldn't really consider trading gambling, but it's like educated gambling. It's not
It's
just
only
like straight up. It's not like roulette. It's not like you're just putting shit out there.
it is gambling when you trade pennies.
Yeah, it depends on what you trade, what strategies you use. Um, but if you're an options trader, the way options are designed is they give you probabilities. So you can take high probability bets, you can take low probability bets. It's kind of like a craps table. Like how craps is the best game in the casino. It's basically the same thing. You can pick your odds with options. And with certain strategies, certain indicators, you can improve your odds.
Can't get filled on Etsy. I don't want to pay the ask.
I'm up 8% in that Tupperware position, boys.
Easy.
Who's sleeping? Did you guys sleep on that?
I definitely did not take that trade.
I took it.
It looks
You
nice
took it,
though.
C's?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, C's. Let's go.
Yeah, I don't count poker because poker is a player versus player. It's not player versus the house. Eileen, how am I such a YouTuber? Because I recommend my content. You got to tell them what's up, man. Every now and then you got to tell them, hey guys, hit the subscribe button if you like the content, you know? Make sure to like the video. If you like the video, like the video.
Is that a bulldog on Tupperware?
Yeah, so if you're trading, yeah, you're trading against other people for sure. You're trading against the market, quote unquote. It's just chaos, man. It's literally chaos. It's a bunch of. It's like the actual definition of chaos, not like the slang use of chaos. The actual definition of chaos is exactly what the market is.
I like KS. It is a clean. It is a clean breakout on Etsy. It's a very nice, very nice looking chart. If I wasn't in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 positions, I'd probably take it.
The
Holy
odds
shit.
the odds are no, you will not make money consistently. But there are people like us that we do pretty well. But no, the odds are against you. The odds are very heavily against you. Most traders lose money.
Not when you have OTS daily pivots.
Yeah, when you got indicators that call bottoms on a daily basis, it's pretty easy.
On SE, what calls would I take on SE? I'd probably just target that top, honestly. October 16th. I would probably buy like I just won. They just hit 160. I was gonna say 160s, but they're in the money now. Probably 165s.
Online, you said your video on technical analysis part 1 is download on YouTube. What do you mean, man? Is down on your video on technical analysis part 1 is down on YouTube. Technical analysis part 1.
I'd probably do 165s, man.
I'm not sure which one you're
I
talking
would go
about.
160s, but they're in the money.
I'm not sure which one you're talking about online. Truth said, obviously that is mathematically impossible. Hold on. What's mathematically impossible? Oh, that most people will win? Yeah, I agree. Unless if one guy is feeding the entire market to others and splitting his money to the rest. I think you're thinking about it too hard, man. There's plenty of ways to gain an edge in the market. You just gotta find... You gotta find it, right? It's alpha. You gotta find the alpha. It's funny, SPY's going down and my contracts are still not moving. It's still green. Very green.
Why is Netflix getting so much buy volume right now? It's making me nervous.
Damn, Oxy's getting murdered. Why do I keep trading Oxy? Why is it? Oxy's like an abusive girlfriend to me. I've lost like my past 4 trades on Oxy and I still like trading it.
China #1. Look what Caesar just posted.
Oh god. Dude, how is Q's flying and ES is pulling back? Yeah, Chris, I told the group if I lose this trade, I'm done with it.
With Oxy?
Yeah, if this is a loss when it's such a clean setup, I'm done with Oxy. This will be the end of my Oxy journey.
Yeah, Apple's trying to rip.
The Intel started flying, dude. Intel started flying, the market pulled back. Why is Intel better than VIX?
I don't know. Tech is going wild.
Dude, look at Intel. It just started going vertical on the 15. And the market started pulling back. Oh, I think you're talking about my really old videos online. Yeah, I took some of those videos down. Watch my more recent videos, man. My how to trade playlist is very, very recent. Those videos I made like 2 years ago, the ones that you're talking about. I took some of them down. They weren't to my standard anymore. I have a much higher standard for my videos. So some of those older videos I deleted or I removed.
2 minutes, y'all.
I called that out in the morning, Chris. I didn't take it though, because I don't take dog shit penny stocks right now. I'll probably start allocating some of my funds to take these. But I called it out at 9:38 when it popped up on my scanner. It was called out at $1.91. So for you guys that are unaware, we live trade in our Discord and voice chat, and I have a bunch of scanners that I call out, basically from start to finish, whatever looks good, block trades, breakouts, high days. This was one of the ones that I called out this morning, went up 500%.
So my Q butterfly.
Now I'm not saying you're going to get those every day, but usually when they happen, I do mention them. I'm at a point where I've got scanners for just about everything, so there's nothing that moves like that that I miss. I've got options movers, dog shit movers, high days, block
1
trades.
minute, boys.
Oh yeah, market's closing, guys. Get ready. Yeah, this is in the Oasis Trading Discord, which is going live in 2 days, 6 p.m. Eastern, 10 slots. Be ready. The last couple sold out in a few hours. This most recent one sold out, I think, even less than that. So, and that was at 12 p.m. at night. This one's launching at 6 p.m. in the afternoon, so, or 12 a.m. at night. If you guys need any testimonials, just feel free to look at my Twitter, look at JMA's Twitter. We post shit all the time.
There's the bell, boys.
There is the bell. Closed very green on the day. We took about a 15 to 20% profit on our day trade on SPY. I'm up 52% on our SPY long-term stuff. Down a little bit on the Pens trade. Down a little bit on the Oxy trade. Very green on Neo. Neo flew today.
Oh, I forgot I closed green on pins. You said you're down?
Yeah, I'm down. I opened mine. I have different contracts, and I opened a little later.
Oh, okay.
I'm only down 5%. It's nothing big. Are you guys green or red on the day? What'd you trade, Chris? Oh, you bought. Oh, you're talking about OXBR. You bought it at 184, sold it at 358. Nice, man. All right, guys, we're going to call it a stream on that. Appreciate you guys being here as always. If you like the video, make sure to like the video. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button. Check out my how to trade playlist on YouTube. I also have a free trading course on our website, oasistrading.io. You don't have to give us your email or anything. So go check that out. We will be redesigning the website pretty soon, so it's going to look a lot nicer. You guys will be able to see that probably in the next month or two. Yeah, in the meantime, go check out the free trading course. And then we also have a lot of free stuff on YouTube, hundreds of hours of streams that you guys can watch. But yeah, if you guys are looking to get into the Discord, keep an eye on the website. There is a countdown. I can show you guys here. Give me a second. If you go to the oasistrading.io/Discord page, we have a countdown for when we go live. It's got about 2 days and 2 hours left. So check it out. That'll be launching on September 30th, 10 slots. Alrighty, that's it, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern. If you guys are in the Discord, I'll be posting some analysis later tonight for levels to watch. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.